Somehow I let this little style slip through my fingers in the past, but now she's out in a brand new blonde and I've got her. Okay, how adorable is this cute little Jon Renau Victoria? And this is the beautiful new Catalina blonde. So cute. You'll notice she's a little asymmetrical, shorter in the back, just slightly longer on the sides, but it's not drastic. And I think it's so flattering around the face. She also has this little wispy bang, so if you want to, shorten that a little bit and have a little more forehead coverage, you can certainly do that. She is just so cute. I remember having this on my radar in the past, and then you know how it is in the wig world. New styles come out and you just forget about the older ones. And this is just such a cute style. So this was sent to me by Wig Studio One. Wig Studio One has a great private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group, and I encourage you to join that group. I'll put a link in the description box so you can join. So beautiful, such a cute little style. So this one has a smart lace front, a full mono top, so you're going to get that part coverage all the way back to your crown, which I love, and you can choose to put your part wherever you want to on this generous full mono top, which is so nice. Great coverage at the ear tabs. So this one is considered average, but it's a hand-tied cap. So a lot of times hand-tied caps will fit a bit on the smaller side. So this one is fitting me nice ear to ear. Not a whole lot of room on my head from forehead to nape. So I would say this one's going to be average and maybe just above average. Share in the comments if you have tried Victoria, because she has been out for a while. I would love to hear your thoughts on her. And if you have a larger circumference, like 22.5 and over, please share how this wig fits on you, because it's always hard for me to tell. When it fits my petite head so well, I just assume it's going to be too tight and uncomfortable if you have a larger head, but that's not always the case. So share in the comments if you have experience with that. That would be so helpful. So, but super, super cute. Her measurements are a 6-inch layer back here in the back, a 6.5-inch layer from the crown, 8.75-inch sides. That's where you're having that longer side measurement come in. But I love the way that looks around the face. And then the nape is 2.25 inches. 2.6 ounces on the weight. This one is just light with this hand-tied cap. So here's the cap. Here's the full mono top with the smart lace front. Soft ear tabs with metal stays. Hand-tied cap. Velcro adjusters. No extended nape because it's not really needed with a 2.25-inch measurement at the nape. There's no permatease in the wig, by the way. It's a very natural density. And this is just regular synthetic fiber. It is not heat friendly. Let's talk about this brand new color from Jon Renau. This is the Catalina Blonde. It is absolutely beautiful. They put a bold money piece right here at the front with this really beautiful platinum right by your face. It's beautiful. So the number code for this is 1018827, shaded with an 8 or with an 8 root is what that S8 means. So it's a cool natural blonde with a shaded root and bold money pieces. And there is, of course, a lot of dimension with these different colors that are going through here. I think it's interesting that there's a 27 because that brings in just a little bit of warmth. The rest of it, I would say, is cool. I would still consider it to be cool toned. But you'll see there's just a hint of a little gold, hint of a little, strawberry blonde kind of coming in there. So it gives it just a little bit of warmth. So neutral to cool. There's the root. And window light. And you can see that we aren't getting those studio lights bouncing off the color, so it doesn't look as shiny, but this is regular synthetic fiber, and this is a brand new wig right out of the box. So it is gonna have some shine to it. You can reduce that shine with body powder or baby powder, dry shampoo, things like that will reduce the shine. You can see the root color there. patio cover. So see the dimension before we get the sunlight on it. And then you can see that the root color is an 8. It's not as dark as it looks in the indoor light. Step out here into the sun. It is a bright, sunny, warm day. So one cute way to wear her is to tuck her behind the ears. Of course, with a short style like this, we aren't going to have as many crazy, styling options, but you definitely, can do a few little things with her. So I'll show you glasses. Super easy. They just slide right over those ear tabs, and then I got a headband on my arm, so I don't have to keep going over here, wearing it on the arm. You're not supposed to see that, but oh well. Anyway, glasses go up just fine. Natural density, no permatease. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but isn't that cute? I love a style that you can just, put up just like your wig should feel just like your hair, right? So, oh, we got a little, hold on a second. That's not the effect I was going for. I guess you can push those bangs back with this. There we go. That looks a little better. Super cute. She's, you can fluff her up a little bit behind that headband, but very low density style, so you're not going to get a whole lot of fluff, but maybe a little fluff. Cute. And then you could pull out a little layering, here around the face if you wanted to. And then other than that, you can wear her off of this beautiful smart lace front. You can always kind of pull it back and put a cute little clip in. That looks really cute. So super, super cute. Honestly, she's so cute just on her own, looking chic. So pretty. And this beautiful blonde, I'm just loving it. So I want to thank Wig Studio One for providing this wig to review for you all. I will put a link to their private Facebook group down in the description box so that you can join that. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye-bye.